friend of mine from Germany sent me a message and said that at the hospital where they're bringing the troops in, they had to sign NDAs to not say anything about the number of the troops that are being brought in, that are either in critical condition, that are wounded, or even that have expired. Now, Warhorse, which is a military magazine, verified this last week, and they said that the administration was lying about the number of casualties and the number of fatalities that we've incurred in the Gulf War. They're making these cats sign NDAs so that they can't tell anyone what's actually happening. And the military has taken social media accounts and restricted even further what the troops can say, because it has to be a unified voice. And they're not allowed to tell you what's actually going on, because it would contradict everything that we've been told. Now, if you have half a brain, you should already know this. 18 with the decimation of our bases the way they are over there? Come on. 600 wounded? Give me a break. It's all been confirmed. They've lied. Take care.